Yeah, you're once again welcome to our YouTube channel, and before us is a 16 channel mixer, UK Music Store NG, Pyle Pro 1608. It's new, so let's just do video test for it. So we're testing it via this microphone here.
Hello, 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Hello, 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. So that's we're starting from the 16th channel. So 1 2 2 2 2 2.
So let me change to the other one.
2 2 2 2 2 2. Hello, 1 2 1 2. Hello, 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Hello, 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. So let me just adjust the sort of volume for feedback. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. That's the 14th channel. 1 2 1 2. 13th channel. 1 2 1 2.
12.
1 2 1 2. 1 2 1 2. 1 2 1 2. 1 2 1 2. That's the 9th channel. 8th channel. 1 2. 7th 1 2 1 2. 6th 1 2 1 2. 5th 1 2 1 2. That's the 4th channel. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Yeah, 1 2 1 2 1 2.
You say?
Yeah, 1 2 1 2. Yeah, 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. 1 2. So let's try the groove. This one.
Which one you talk again? No worry. You they go so that we won't waste time.
Yeah, 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. So you can see the grooves as well. You're working 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. 1 2 1 2 1 2. That's the groove output. So it's in this perfect working condition as neat as new. So thank you.